Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I cannot believe we are in December. Like, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Like, where has the time gone? It's literally just flying in front of our eyes. I really don't even know how we got here because I feel like it was just February like 2 weeks ago. So I don't know if you agree with me. Let me know, comment down below. But today we are going to be talking about my November favorites. I have a couple products here, not too many things, a little bit of everything. Things that I've been really like constantly using on a daily basis and love it or have fallen in love with within the past month. So if you guys are interested in seeing my favorites for the month of November, then just go ahead and keep watching. And please make sure you are subscribed and make sure you tap that notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I don't have too many things. I have like maybe like 7, 8 things. And yeah, so we're just gonna jump into it. I have one body product for this month. You guys, I'm throwing it back. I am throwing it back. Yes, yes, yes. Palmer's cocoa butter. You're probably like, what? Yeah, I know. I've been showing you guys a lot of like body butters and this and that are more high end or whatnot. But girl, this is the OG right here. The cocoa butter formula, the one that looks like this. It is, first of all, so inexpensive. It's like $6 or $7. And you get, how much? You get like 7... You get, how many ounces do you get in here? 9.5 ounces. And as you can see, I have already put a dent in it, and I got this like maybe towards the beginning of November. It is so cold here in Atlanta. Like this morning was 31 degrees. I was like, girl, come on. But I mean, it's wintertime. So whenever it gets so chilly, that's when I pull this out. Like it literally is so thick, so rich, so creamy, just melts into your skin like oil, but it doesn't leave you feeling sticky. Like it's the best, in my opinion, cocoa butter. I love this. It's so inexpensive. You can, if you have really dry skin, this is what you need. It's $6, so inexpensive, and you're just gonna love this. If you live in a super duper cold climate or it's cold where you're at right now, try this out. You can get it at any drugstore. I usually get it from Walmart. But yeah, if you've never tried Palmer's cocoa butter, try this one. I don't care for the lotion, but this one, hands down, amazing. It's, I don't know what else to say about it. It's, I mean, there's nothing crazy about it. It doesn't smell the best, but I mean, it does what it needs to do, which is deeply moisturize your skin in this rough, cold ass weather. So definitely check this out. The next product I'll mention, since we just went from body, I have 2 skincare products. The first one, you guys recently saw that I purchased or picked up the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. It looks like this. This serum I've been using since I got it, and honey, it is amazing. It's so good. So good. I use it like every other day because I try to keep my skin as balanced as possible. I love doing chemical exfoliation and things like that, but you also need to be aware and make sure you're not stripping your skin too much. So don't overdo it, you know, just to find a nice balance. So I use this every other day, not every single morning, but this is amazing. I've honestly noticed a difference, and I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. I haven't broken out like that, but I have noticed my dark spots have faded very drastically. And today is like a very natural makeup day for me. I just put some concealer on and some powder. I didn't even do my brows. I just put brow gel, some mascara, and that's it. Like this is like very minimal coverage, and my skin looks amazing. Like I really enjoy this. You guys know I love the Desi Vitamin C Serum, but this one is, I would say they're on the same level for me. I really enjoy it, and this one's cheaper. This one, oh, she's been doing what needs to be done, which is correcting my dark spots and leaving the texture of my skin extremely smooth. So I definitely have been enjoying this, and I recommend to try it if you have not. The next product that I've been really enjoying is sunscreen, which you need to put on every day. I don't care where you live. I don't care how hot it is. I don't care if the sun is outside. Put on SPF. You need it, especially if you use a lot of chemical exfoliants, acids on your skin. Please protect it. I don't know how many times I can say this, but I have been going back to my Black Girl sunscreen. I have had this forever. I mean, I use it constantly, use it during the summertime. I used it more on my body, but recently, the past like month and a half, I started using it on my face every day. After I put on my serum, after I put on my moisturizer, this is the last step. I put this on top, and when I tell you, my skin looks so beautiful. So the texture of this sunscreen is, it feels like a moisturizer, honestly, and I think that's why I like it a lot. It leaves your skin looking so hydrated, so plump, so juicy, and it protects you from the sun. It's SPF 30. You can use this on your face, you can use it on your body. It's safe to use anywhere, and that's why I love it. You can pick this up at Target. It is Black owned. It is one of my favorite sunscreens ever, and I highly recommend it if you have not tried it. Where have you been? Have you been under a rock? What's going on? Because you need to try this. If you are a person that's not too into skincare and you just want a one-stop shop, you really don't feel like putting moisturizer and all that stuff on, girl, just get this and put it on your face. It moisturizes your face and it protects you from the sun. Boom, that's all you need. So definitely check this out. I've been really enjoying it lately. All right, and since we're on face, I'm gonna show you the 3 products I have really been using a lot this month. The first one is a primer. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Primer. It looks like this. This is the regular one, not the glowy one. I enjoy this a lot. I picked it up, it was on sale. I think it was in October. It was on sale for Ulta for half off. And I've seen a couple of people use this, and I was like, you know what, let me pick it up and try it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's that texture, it's the same texture that the Hydro Grip Primer has. Let me show you guys if I can pump a little bit out. So it looks like a gel, and then when you rub it in, it's like a very hydrating like formula. It's like that Fenty hydrating primer, but it still gives you like that grip that the what is it called, the Milk Hydro Grip does. So it's like a perfect in between. It hydrates your skin and it gives you that perfect base and like tackiness to apply foundation on top, and it really helps with the longevity of your makeup. I've really been enjoying this primer. It's been out for a long time. Sometimes it goes on sale, so I would recommend to pick it up if it's on sale. I think you would enjoy it. If you like those hydrating, more tackier, more skin-like primers, like skincare-like primers, this is something that you would enjoy. I like it a lot, and I would recommend to pick it up if you've never tried it, or if you're in the market for looking for a new primer that does kind of a bit of everything. So definitely pick this up. It's awesome. The next face product I've been enjoying, you guys probably already know what I'm going to say. It's a foundation. It's a new foundation that I tried out. It is the Sephora Best Skin Ever Foundation. Why it took me this long to try it out, I'm very upset with myself, actually. Very, very upset with myself, because what the hell? Like, why do I always try things so late? I'm so mad I just now found out about this, because this is amazing. You guys recently saw my past video that I used it. I filmed that a couple weeks ago, so I've been wearing it more. And when I tell you, the way this wears, like I wore it, the day I filmed that video, I had it on literally for 9-10 hours. And when I looked at my face in the mirror before I washed it, I was like, wow, like it looked perfect. It looked amazing. Like it wasn't greasy. It wasn't like cracking, nothing. It just looked amazing. And I did not have laugh lines. Yes, I did not have laugh lines. I was blown away. This foundation is so good. So, so, so good. And I knew I would like it. The more I was wearing it throughout the day, I was like, this is going to be my new fave. And it is. It's so good. I wear the shade 50N. I love this so much. I'm so happy I tried it out. I see why it's so good. I see why it's so raved about, because this foundation really does what it needs to do. It gives you great coverage. It's medium, which I like. It's very lightweight on the skin. It's skin-like, and it wears so well. And I have oily combination skin. So if you have anything outside of that, it's gonna wear even better, because my skin type tends to break things down a lot easier because of the oils. But when I tell you, it just looked better as the day went by. It was crazy. I really, really fell in love with this foundation, and it has been like my go-to, and I love it. I love it. I don't know what else I can say about it. It's great. The last product I'm gonna talk about for the face is another Sephora product, which really shocked me, the Translucent Setting Powder. This, I picked it up on a whim. Like I said, I didn't necessarily need a powder, but I saw a lot of people talk about this, just like I saw a lot of people mention the foundation, so I picked it up, and this, wow. I mean, wow. This combo right here, nothing better. It's amazing. Like it melts, this powder melts into your skin. It sets your face beautifully. It's not overly drying. It's not cakey. It's not too finely melted, but it's not like super duper thick. It's just perfect. It's perfect. fake and it's universal. Like this looks great on everyone. Like it didn't give me flashback because I took pictures, so it doesn't give you a flashback. It just does what it needs to do. I love this so much, and I'm so happy that I got a chance to try it out and I picked it up during the sale because I have been using it nonstop. Just like I've been using that foundation nonstop, I've been using this nonstop. So I had to throw this into this video because it's my new fave powder. And like I said, I don't easily fall in love with powders, but that one swept me off my feet because honey, like, she's that chick. It's amazing. The last two things I'm going to talk about are two fragrances that I've been really enjoying for this past month. The first one is going to be the Kayali Elixir 11. You guys know I love Kayali, love their fragrances. It's, like I mentioned, getting so cold here. Like, it's getting brick cold, okay? Morning, night, during the day, it's cold. So when it gets to that time of the year when it's super duper cold, you need a perfume that is going to withstand that coldness. And this one, amazing. Like, it's a gorgeous winter scent. I love this. You could wear this anytime. You could wear it all year round. Doesn't matter when you want to wear perfumes. But this thrives in the cold, okay? Because it's like like the sharpness of the wind. Once it hits you and you just smell this, like, you're just like, oh my God, like, it smells so good. It's definitely a nighttime scent. Definitely intoxicating scent. Very sexy, sensual. So if you're into that kind of stuff, definitely check this out. This is going to be your new fave. If you've been looking for a new winter scent, Kayali Elixir 11 is where it's at. And it has like that fruitiness to it because of the apple. And you may be like, what do you mean by apple? Just trust me, okay? Smell it. Trust me, you're gonna love it. It's so good. So I've really been wearing this a lot, especially when I've been going out during the night. This has been like my grab and go scent. The last scent I want to talk about is the Replica Jazz Club. You guys know I love this. I've mentioned this perfume numerous times on this channel. It's a beautiful, beautiful, smoky, gourmand scent. It's meant for men, but all fragrance is unisex to me. I don't really feel like it should be labeled as like, okay, this is for female, this is for male. Whatever you like to wear, wear it and keep it pushing. But this scent smells so good. It's another one of my faves. I love mixing fragrances and making like my own unique concoction and scent. And these two together, oh girl, no one's gonna tell you anything. And this smells so good. I'm just gonna put some on right now. I know I'm in the house, but I don't care. It smells so good. It smells amazing. I've been loving this scent. When I want like a more warm, gourmand kind of scent and smoky, this is what I've been reaching. And a lot of people love that scent. I prefer that one over By the Fireplace. By the Fireplace smells nice, but it smells like a candle. And I don't want to smell like a candle. Like, I love the scent of it, but it's a little too marshmallowy sweet. And I'm not a fan of those kind of scents, where this one is more smoky, sexy. So I prefer Jazz Club over By the Fireplace. I know there's Whispers in the Library. I looked at the notes and they look pretty nice. I've never smelled it, so maybe if I smell that, I'll like it and get it, but I'll keep you guys up to date with that. But so far, Jazz Club has been my favorite Replica fragrance out of their whole entire line. So I recommend to check it out, and you could smell it at Sephora. So check it out if you definitely want to pick up a new fragrance, because it's bomb. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will make sure that I link everything that I mentioned down below, so make sure you check my description box. It always has everything down there. Make sure you follow my socials, my Instagram, all of that. It's going to be down there as well. And make sure you are subscribed to my channel. We are growing, so thank you guys. Next up, we're getting up to 4K. Okay, I want to see if we can get to 4K before the end of the year. We have one more month, guys, so make sure you check and make sure you subscribe so we can get to 4K. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I hope you are enjoying my content so far. Comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me. I know people like to do Vlogmas. I'm gonna keep it real. I don't think I'm gonna do vlog. I'm not doing Vlogmas this year. My life is not that interesting to do a vlog every single day, because it'll be so redundant. When I tell you my schedule is the same every single day, but I will definitely be doing more vlogs and incorporating more of those in the future, because I do know a lot of people love that kind of lifestyle content. So I will start to do vlogs. Let me know if you want more weekly vlogs. That's something I can definitely do for you guys. So make sure you comment down below and let me know. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you are subscribed and tap that notification bell to be notified when my next upload will be. I cannot believe we are in December. It is the last month of 2021. Let's end it with a bang. I have a bunch of content coming out your way, so look forward to that. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.